Hi again, everybody. Back after a couple day break. It is Wednesday morning, July 12th. Here's the Astro Excel chart for the rest of this week into next week. I started this on Sunday the 9th. We had this move up into Sunday evening. Then we were down into Monday afternoon, which is what happened. Made low on the 10th. We've been bouncing up, so we've come up into a peak today at about 7 a.m. here. And then it shows downward action with a little bounce tomorrow early in the AM, and then we're pretty much down into Friday morning at 9, and then it starts to drift back up into the weekend. And checking our pivot dates, let me flip to daily bars. Here's the ES daily. We had pivot dates of the 4th, 10th, and 11th starting July, so we did get a high on the 3rd here. The 4th Globex trading was near that high also. We drifted down. We made low here on the 10th, hitting our projected date, and our next pivot is the 14th, so we're trading up to the current period like the Astro Excel shows, so we might see some downside early this morning after that. Here's the Astro Excel chart for the day. You see the green lines up above plus 10, then it starts to drift down, comes down into the plus 5 level, and then it's hovering through there. You can see the pattern on the blue line up until 3:30, down to 5:45. And then up into the 12:30 area, and then down the rest of the day into the early evening. Right here I'm showing a 2-hour chart. This is going to start 9:20 a.m., 10 minutes before the open. You can see the peaks and valleys on the gray lines. These can give you some important pivot points. Like here we're looking at 9:50. We have a good pivot point. 9:57, another one at 10:02, and then we kind of get up in between the 10 lines, but you can look at some of these. 10:24, that should be near the PH time. 10:29, 10:36, the valley here at 10:42. Then we've got this spike high around 11:09. That should give some indication for the first couple hours of trading today. So that's it for today. We'll be back again tomorrow with another video. Hope y'all have a good trading day.